Affirmations are a simple yet powerful way to help shift limiting beliefs, especially those rooted in the subconscious mind. Unlike conscious thoughts, subconscious beliefs are shaped by repetition over time. The thoughts repeated most often tend to become accepted as truth, even when they're holding someone back. For example, beliefs about money are rarely formed overnight. They're usually built over years of repeated internal dialogue, observations, and interpretations of the world. The subconscious mind absorbs these patterns, reinforcing them again and again. But here's the good news: those beliefs can be reshaped, and affirmations are one of the tools that can help. When used consistently, affirmations can redirect focus away from outdated beliefs and toward more empowering ones that support a healthier, more abundant mindset. To make affirmations truly effective, there are a few key principles to follow. First, they must be personal. Statements should begin with phrases like "I am" or "I enjoy" to make them direct and relevant. Second, they should always be positive. Instead of saying "I'm not afraid," it's better to say "I am confident." Use the present tense. Avoid phrases that refer to a distant future. Affirmations are about claiming what is true now. Make them specific. "I communicate clearly and calmly" is far more effective than something vague like "I connect with the universe." They should also be energizing or inspiring. A good affirmation should feel uplifting, not routine or dull. And finally, they need to be simple and visual, easy enough for the mind to create a clear mental image. Now let's talk a bit about creating and reinforcing affirmations. It's really about choosing statements that resonate with you, repeating them regularly, and allowing them to become a natural part of your thinking. Over time, this repetition helps to gently reshape your mindset and beliefs. When creating affirmations, it's important that they feel possible. If an affirmation triggers resistance or disbelief, it might be too far from a person's current experience. In that case, it's okay to soften the language or adjust the statement until it feels more believable. It's also helpful to play with the wording. Affirmations should really resonate. They ought to feel natural, not forced. Affirmations can also help attract abundance and financial well-being. By repeating statements like "I am open to receiving wealth" or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly," you can begin to shift your mindset toward prosperity. Remember, abundance is not just about money, it's about feeling grateful for all that you have and all that is coming your way. Repetition matters. The more often affirmations are said, especially with emotion, the more likely they are to take root. Saying them aloud actually adds power, particularly in those moments when reality seems to say the opposite. That's when they're often most effective. Writing affirmations down daily can further strengthen their impact, helping the brain connect emotionally and stay focused on the new belief. Another helpful practice is to look for evidence, however small, that the affirmation is becoming reality. This, you see, trains the brain to notice positive change and, supports lasting transformation. So, to sum up, using affirmations regularly can really help shift your mindset, open up new possibilities, and, bring you closer to the life you wish to create. Try repeating a few each morning and evening and observe how thoughts and results begin to change. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on mindset, well-being, and personal growth.